Okay, so resuming features within a model can also be done quite easily using wildcards. So if you take a look at this model structure here, you can see that we have naming conventions set up for all of the features that we care about. So this particular model might be one that we just load up and we want to resume certain things and then run a release process to delete the unused stuff to generate our final model. In this case, we're going to use Nitro-CELL execution worksheet to come into the feature object type. We're going to go to resume. By default, it's going to assume the currently active model, so we're not going to specify a name right here. And then to resume with wildcards, we can actually do that quite easily. So if I'm doing this normally, like if I just want to resume the flat that is in this geometry here, you can see that I've got flat and flat relief. If I press the do it button, it's only going to resume the flat feature. So you can see the flat geometries there. If I regenerate display, you can see that in fact that particular feature has been resumed. I'm going to suppress that, and then we're going to come back in and we're going to put flat star. So the star is a wildcard that does a name match on any features that are in the model that we want to resume. So when I press the do it button, you'll notice that it resumes both the flat and the flat relief. After I regenerate the display of the tree here, you can see that these two features have been resumed. So that's a pretty straightforward way to collect geometry using named wildcards. Of course, this means that you need to be very specific about how your naming convention is within your automation, but works really well.